Hello guys, how you guys doing? This is the VAR Queen. I'm here again today. So today I'm coming to talk about my two queen. You see Kenzie, you see Sissy. So I'm coming to talk about them in a good way, guys. You man say I come cursing. You know the two people I don't cursing. I just tell them the truth. You see why I like them? They are not my role model, no. But I just like them. So people will ask, why you like them? What is special about them? Oh, Sissy, she rule. She let day. Oh, can't see let day, can't see let that. But even if the person a rule, they can still get people what like them. They can do something what can make people to like them. So you ask me, why you like Sissy or why you like Kenzie? I will come to you. Let's start with Sissy first. You know I like the woman. I wish the day I will see her in person. Okay, let we agree that social media, Sissy can come on the social media, she insult, she say things, other people not like her, but not everyone will hate her, right? Behind the scene, people will know Sissy off camera. She's a nice person, to be honest. Maybe it's how she choose to create her content on the internet. What you start with the internet, what you bring to the table is what people is going to buy. What made me to like Sissy as a person for me? She's not my role model, but what made me to like her is she's a strong woman, number one. This woman know how to look for money. This woman know how to work for her money. She don't care just for what people will say. We saw her on several occasions. 2 years ago, Sissy was supposed to break down and leave the internet for good without coming again because the shame and disgrace were too much. But what she did, she bounced back. She put herself together. She said, no, I cannot fall. I'm a Sissy mentee. I have to rise. I don't care what people will say. This woman started selling cow skin, working. Now she have her own salon in a mall. People will come, oh, she rule. Sissy can lie. Sissy let day. She let boasting. But one thing she will do in her life that people will let her for me, let me tell you what I like Sissy. People say, oh, they want that one. Why I like Sissy for? Because she's strong. She that kind of woman. If Sissy was not strong, what Sissy passed through on the internet space, even me, I'm strong like that to come back to the internet. That kind of disgrace. To come back to the internet, even me, I came on the internet the last time I told her, I said, BC, I love you, but stop bringing different men on the internet. That was my piece of advice. But this woman you see, there's two women you see, gave them that flower. While they stay alive, that will give them that flower. Me, I don't care what they do in their life. But that one or two things that they do that made me to get close to them and get some understanding for them. Sissy may be rude. Sissy can just talk. Sissy is not somebody role model according to people. Oh, can see like that, can see like that. But these two women you see here, they are moving higher. What we discussing a matter, they are going up. They two women going up. The shame and disgrace, the two women we saw on the internet from them, we thought it could break them down. We thought we would never see them again. But what they do, they rise, they bounce back. Kenzie said, no, will let my finger cut? I can never give her in life. Kenzie said, I will bounce back like I never. They get bounced back. Take her children from Africa. Now they are in Asia. What next? One day they will enter Europe. That the kind of people there you say because what they can do on the internet, we might not take one or two things from them. Like seriously? Not what the person do will make you to do the same thing. But you can take one or two things. Those guys now you see them doing prostitution. Have you guys said to ask them why are they doing prostitution? Someone there, I don't think that they really want to do that prostitution job, but there are certain things make them to get on the street to do it. So sometimes you ask the person, not because you see the person on the internet. Like now, I can be hearing some small talk and they say I can tell talk on the internet. Some people say I can just say things on the internet. So for that reason, because I can just say things you feel say I'm not nice girl or I like this, I like that. Get closer to the person and know them. The two women you see here, people were closer to them, they will tell you that they are very nice people. But when they in front of the camera, what they will bring to you on the camera, you will not like it. They just like Pella. Pella is a very nice boy off camera, but when in front of the camera, you can get gray on your head and he will curse you and bring you down. So you gotta just learn one or two things from the two women. One or two things. Even if we will not take all, they just forget about what they can do on the internet. And that pick one or two things. A single mother raising two girls children at that age. They not your man not how they tell you on the internet, I will not get her face. All the woman, she bounce back. She sat in her room, she cry, she wept her tears, and she make money all of her tears. She bought a horse. People say, she lying, she not buy that horse. She buy horse. She sell her again. She said, no, I have to put them to shame. She opened a salon in one of their mall in her state. This woman, she don't have to be your role model, but she can make you to become strong. She can cause, she can do the one on the internet, she did this, she did that. We see all that. But one or two things a person will do that will then make you to get close to them. Let me tell you today, like what make me see, I just like Sissy because she's strong. Nothing can break her down. If there was some women, you won't see them on internet again. Because the way they portray themselves to the internet, at the end, that disgrace come to them, you will not see them. But she bounced back as an African woman from Liberia. As Sissy maintained, she said, no, I can't give her, I will bounce back and rise. And she rise again. That all you see, I let her, she's not my role model. But that screen that she used, I pray to get that screen in her face. Let's come to Kensie. Everybody know this. Kensie like Hobo Joe. Kensie sleeping with different men. And when she go to the other countries, she see the other beings, she sleep with you. She do the one. We see all that part. But this girl bounce back. This woman where you say she Hobo Joe, she don't sleep with different beings, she can do the one, she can do that one. But she brought pride to her people. She's strong. She going from country to country, doing things. See her two girls children. The person where you say she prostitute, she sleep with different men, she do the one. But see her two girls children, how they coming up, how she bringing her children up. You see, when she make that accident in Liberia, she bounced back. I just like the two people. The people know how to look for money. Kensie and Sissy, they know how to look for money. See Kensie, two girls children, how she bring her children up. Now she's in Japan with her children. If someone say you like kind of person, tell them that, oh, I'm the kind of person, but I'm benefiting from this thing, right? Oh, Kensie like that, she gave her life to God, she take it back. Kensie any. If you don't want to give them a flower for me, for Queen, I will give them a flower while they stay alive. I'm not going to do what they're doing on the internet, but I'm looking at what they're doing behind the scene in their life. I'm not looking at the kind of open camera, the cursing, the saying this, doing the one. I'm looking at behind the scene, what they're doing for themselves. So, Star Power Sissy Minty, you know always, I'm a little girl. Kensie, you guys keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing. You shouldn't let nothing to bring you down. The time you're supposed to fall, that time not pass. Like your enemy name will fall. So I love you guys so much. Take one or two things from the two people. Even if you're not take all, just sit and monitor that life and pick one or two things. Even if you will not get all, one or two from there, you will get from it. I leave it hanging. We leave it hanging with you. See you guys. Love you.